Hi, welcome to Kanabis Selfi TV. Prop up your business. This is Kanabis Selfi TV right here live with my good friend
Thomas.
Yeah, Thomas and Peter.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so everything fully up right now. We're live in African Tradition Studio, and this is the engineer, African Tradition.
Yeah, man.
Everything up. So right now, I'm going to interview my friend them, Peter and Thomas, all the way from France. So I'm going.
We there.
How long now you there in Jamaica?
Since 2 days.
2 days?
2 days for 3 weeks.
Wow.
3 weeks.
Alright, so what makes you come to Jamaica?
Because we have a friend of us who lives in Kingston, Warrior King, the reggae man, Rasta man, and we have to come to see him to organize his European tour, especially in France for the summer.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
For real.
Yeah.
So, alright, so what do you like about Jamaica?
Everything in Jamaica is beautiful.
Can you name some of what you like in Jamaica?
People at first. Jamaican people are nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. They're full of vibes.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Inside. Inside they have good vibes.
Yeah.
Yes. They have the good vibes inside. That is good.
Yeah.
That we are looking for too.
Yeah.
Yes. We live in French Caribbean now for a while and move in the islands different, travel to radio too. And
so that's the reason why you link up in Jamaica.
Exactly.
In Mobile to see Kanabis Selfi TV.
Yes, yes, exactly.
So everything full up. Yeah, so you know it's a one connection. So alright. So the vibe. So you can name 2 more things that you like about Jamaica. You said the first one, you said the people.
Yes.
What? Name 2 other things that you like about Jamaica. 2 other things.
Music for sure.
Yeah.
All the music. Rocksteady.
Yeah.
Reggae, ska, dub.
Yeah.
Dancehall.
Wow.
Wow.
All the trust.
Oh.
Yes, everything. Well, you just arrived 3 days ago, so just time to arrive, because when you arrive it's different, it turns different. Things in city are totally different, and yes, time to adaptation first. But what we feel is people are really good things on them, really. And when we really love and really like in Jamaica is what all they trust about, really.
What they share.
Yes.
True. So when you go back to France, what will you tell France about Jamaica?
We don't come back to France right just after. We continue and we share on the road, and we can feel the Jamaican influence already in real lots of parts in the world. And in all the Caribbean shore, everywhere, in South of America, in some places, even in Asia, in Europe, there is influence about music, about style, about life, about things, different way of life, and that is good. So it's not here enough. We know about Jamaica, but we need to know more about Jamaica.
All right. So what's the name of your production?
We work from KMT production in Martinique right now, and we move.
Alright, so I can tell me 5 years from this, where you gonna see your production alongside my production, Selfi TV, in the next 5 years. You can tell me how you da see the whole business industry. Tell me how you da see the business industry with your production and Selfi TV production and African Tradition production.
Yes, we can work on it. We can work on it.
Link up.
Yes, we can work on it. Lots of work, but we can do it.
Yeah. Alright, so Thomas and Peter, how long now you two have been friends doing this business? In this business?
I think maybe approximately 1 year, but we are friends since my date of birth, because it's my brother. My real brother, so we are on the same road, and we work on the same road together in Jamaica.
For real, that's true. Alright, so that's nice still. So, alright, you can name any other artist, you would have worked with in this music industry.
Lots of artists. Who came in African tradition studio like Chedidek.
Yeah.
For example, many artists. We work with Warrior King, but we are still open to take some contacts and to work with any artist who wants to go outside to Jamaica to make sure meet some people.
Yeah. That's true. For real, man. So you want to ask me? You can ask me questions too.
Yes. We let your direction and contact to share about and to meet some artists. Yes, we can do some interviews too. And yes, export it.
Alright. So do you want to interview us right now?
Yeah, man.
You can ask me any question because France and Jamaica.
Yeah, it's connection.
Connection. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so man, since how long you have been there and doing what you do? What you do exactly?
What me do best?
Yeah, man.
Naturally for the people, for the world, from birth until now. Yeah, man, I've been doing this for the people. Yeah, man, I've been doing this for the people from birth until now and beyond.
So you're a singer?
If you're a singer?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm a singer slash TV host slash a producer. Yeah, man, slash selector slash actor, movie script writer.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? So slash African Tradition studio member.
Okay.
Kanabis Selfi TV. Yeah.
Still there. And what about African Tradition Studio? Since how long you do this?
African Tradition Studio was from school days. I used to go to high school from 2003. From 2003. From I was 12 years old. I've been voicing my own songs, my own singles. Same way. Yeah, remember even one song, the first song I voiced, one song I said, smoke the weed and nothing normal. No more weed that's abnormal. High grade alone make my brain formal. My knowledge increase like upper carnival. The high grade just a kicking on me head so. Purple skunk just a make me whole a med so. Me I wonder how me eye them red so. Make me can't see from A to Z so. You see me? So I just only for energy. That's why I call myself Kanabis. So that's the reason why my name Kanabis come up from this first song. Right, Kanabis. Because you know Kanabis is the original name for weed.
Yeah, man.
And I am a Rasta man. And Rasta man consider weed as a ritual thing. And I man keep it holy same way. So that's why I man call I man self Kanabis Selfi TV. Yeah, so everything fully up. So the engineer same way. You can ask the engineer.
Yeah, man. Since how long you do recording?
From school, same way, you know.
Kanabis come a long time.
And come see me.
From school days.
Okay.
Both of us from school days.
Yeah. The owner for the studios, name is Biden. He go overseas, as I told you before.
He's in the USA.
He's in the US now.
In the USA, okay.
Yeah. And he leave me in charge along with another guy named Shara. He's not here right now.
Okay. He's still in Jamaica?
Yeah, he's still in Jamaica, but he's not at the studio now. He's doing some business.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, long time, link up and going on.
Cool. And which artist did you record it here?
Well, we record artists like PZ. Do you know PZ?
PZ?
Yeah.
PZ. Go burn down the earth. And I tell you if you plant cassava.
He sing that song.
Okay.
We record artists like Chesedek.
Yeah, man.
As you heard, I heard me play some Chesedek before. I record a lot of artists pass by. Nature, Teflon,
World Peace.
a lot of artists pass by.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, man. Really pleasure. Yes. Direct from African Tradition Studio. Yeah, man.
Okay, Kanabis African Tradition Studio. Good luck, my friend. Brother. Yeah. Good luck in the life. Toxic. Man, toxic. Okay. Brother. Yeah, man. Pleasure.
Yeah, man. Let's get MT Production from Martinique and Guadeloupe. Yes,
the engineer Nick go and run it off, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that's how we are doing it right now. Shout out to Facebook, YouTube, the whole social media. Stay tuned, this is Kanabis Selfi TV live.
At the end, no.
African tradition. Pick up yourself, vinyl, listen me, trace.
All the days of my life. From the morning sunrise to the darkness of the night, I praise you all the days of my life. To the darkness of the night, I praise you all the days of my life. On this rock I stand, from the end of the sea.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Tradition.
Nice place.
Nice place in Mobile, Jamaica. Yeah, man. Give thanks.
Yeah, man. Big respect. One love on Kanabis Selfi TV. Yes.
Mobile to Jamaica. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
It's perfect. Nice.
Yes. Martinique represent, Guadeloupe represent, French and Caribbean represent. Yes.
Still.
France represent. Yes. Yeah, man.
Jamaica and France. Yeah, man. Kanabis Selfi TV. And tell them what's the name of your production again? KMT. So KMT on Kanabis Selfi TV. Stay tuned.
Yeah, man. Big force, big respect. One love, man. One love. Yeah, man.
Come over to Peter Sandberg full. So anyway, we are doing Thomas Simon have a look at spice.
Rice and peas.
Right. The ghetto kitchen.
Yeah.
So Thomas say no one no egg more than one.
Rice
and peas.
Alone.
See me right now. See me. Where's the one? Rice and peas in Jamaica. Alright, make your rice and peas. Turn it to the share the rice and peas game. Ghetto kitchen. Alright. Must love you.
Get a kitchen feel. Get a kitchen. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Big up from Guadeloupe, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, French Island, French Caribbean.
French Caribbean.
Jamaica.
What loud to come here?
Yes, I
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright. Taste the rice and peas now. Yeah.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Give me 2 pieces.
Yeah. Yeah. How it is?
Perfect, man.
Dry and
The
nice.
perfect kitchen.
Yeah.
Perfect rice and peas on the ghetto.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a pleasure. Yeah, man. Big up Selfi TV.
Yeah.
Kanabis.
Yeah.
Canada, big a long time anyway, Canada. I wonder if you can really know. Can't spend
No, man, me not.
yeah, Canada.
Yeah. Alright, so we up on stay. So stay tuned for more on Kanabis Selfi TV.
Yes, please.
Party and a party and Shelly and I go Shell every time. Yeah. Big up each and every one to check in from early. Right now, DJ Kanabis, make a voice here.
Way up and stay up. Big up to the whole vibes. Big up to Kanabis Selfi TV. You know what I mean? And you know me, I'm a G them all the way from France. They see me. We there go and pass through and show them the real side of Jamaica. You know what I mean? And tell them to load the hotel thing alone. And fall in the garrison. You know what I mean? So you know this is how we do it. We're there at the People's Arcade right now in Mobile, Western Jamaica. Easy. We up and stay up. You know we there all our vibes for the ends. Kanabis and friends. You know what I mean? A chip chop way, you see me? Big up to Nadine, you mean? And big up to the hairdresser. You know, big up to the Rasta, get him ear, get him locks, Google. Yeah, and big up the, no, play one rhythm for the pretty girl like you, come here. Play one rhythm for her, come here. Find something for her, play about the same bleachers, that same song there. Play about the same song there, play about the same song there. Run back that same song there, play, just find something for the girl there, just find something with general. Yeah.
One, two, push up and tell the girl them up round it. All the girl them a run one shot.
Alright, hello, you bleach?
Yeah.
Come here. Let me ask you a question. Come here now. Come tell Selfi TV, how long now you bleach? Last week? Alright. I be a laugh them and laugh. One on easy. Remember said no. Selfi TV, look for my good. I have to bleach. Cause I'm brown already. I have to put on no tattoo. Cause the girl them don't see my body. So I have only my beauty one. So I have to put on a tattoo. You want to put on tattoo? Come show me a tattoo. Alright.
You don't know when I big up yourself in the Kanabis. DJ not say I should it.
KMT, always remember KMT Production and Kanabis Selfi TV. A day in life with KMT Production.
Direct from French West Indies to Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Jamaica. Yeah.
What do you say about Jamaican people now?
Jamaica is really rich.
Yeah, why you say that?
Because people. Because of people. Yeah, man. Really rich. Yes.
Coming from the earth.
Yeah, for real.
Yes, Jamaica is really rich.
Yeah.
Check two, mic test. Hey, now, hey, oh,
One love.
Hey, much high. Hey, yes.
I love.
Two.
What me say about this? He love me now.
No, we're done. Yeah, I'm Peter.
Alright.
Yeah.
So right now,
Direct from Martinique, Guadeloupe, French, West Indies. Yeah, man. Yeah, from France. Yeah, man.
for real.
Kanabis Selfi TV, yeah. Big up. More respect. Every time. Yeah, better. Bombo class.
And Kanabis Selfi TV. You know what I mean? Tell them the name of your productions again.
Yeah. KMT from Martinique, Guadeloupe, French West Indies.
Yeah, man. Represent.
Selfi TV. Stay up, we are watching. So right now, the next thing I'm more asking now. The oppression, you tell me something about oppression of Babylon.
Oppression of Babylon?
Yeah, in Europe. Tell me something.
In Europe, in everywhere, man. Everywhere.
All over the world.
Yes, yes. Different, but everywhere. Yes. We feel it here. We feel it everywhere. Here we feel it different. Different than Europe and rest different parts of the world. Yes. But everywhere we feel it. Yes. And what you gave, well, the message you gave, it's very peace and really love message, and what's the world need now. Yeah, man. You need to share. People need to share it and to see it and share about that and share with everybody.
All right. So how do you feel about Babylon oppression in Europe?
We feel Babylon oppression in Europe like a big spider. You understand? Because Babylon is introducing itself in all houses, all family, in all person. You understand? Yeah. And some European people are not really free. They think they are free because they have the passport. They can travel a lot all over the world, but they still be European. And they can be free. Not really, because even if an European wants to go outside this country, he has to come back. He has to pay, here his country. So it's difficult.
Jesus. So what is the difference you feel in Jamaica?
In Jamaica, people are, people do walks. People walk. People are making themselves in the streets.
Need to take care about themselves. Need to walk. Need to live. Yes. Need to live.
Free.
Yes. Free. Yes. Takes time.
Free. All right. So do you have any? All right. Do you have any message to tell the youth of Jamaica that are growing up right now about the beauty of Jamaica and the quality of Jamaica that they should recognize and appreciate?
Yeah, maybe the message can be shared. It's Jamaican youth. There has to be more quiet.
Use your force. Use your inner force.
It's your country. Be a honor of your country.
Is the best.
People all over the world wants to come in Jamaica to discover the country.
True.
Yeah, it's really beautiful people. Really beautiful landscapes. Nice place. So it's a wonderful country, a rich country, and Jamaican have to be honored by this. And to share it.
True.
Righteousness.
So do you think you'd live in Jamaica?
Maybe.
Would you live in Jamaica?
We live in the world. And really want to live in Jamaica too. Yeah, man.
Sure. Jamaica is nice. Very good.
So then suppose
continue it. Don't lose yourself. Yes, for the youth. Just feel back the energy, the positive energy. Yes, that is the key. Yes, and education, the second key.
True. Knowledge is the key for real. Good state of mind and them something there for real. So Kanabis Selfi TV. Keep it live, stay tuned on Kanabis Selfi TV with KMT. Click it and we are watching.
TV, Kanabis, KMT, the
connection. Yeah, man.
Perfect.
Come on. Guadeloupe. Yeah. Living Guadeloupe now. Yeah, what? Yeah.
Alright, so tell me, what do you have to say about my hero?
Yeah. Respect your hero, man. Respect your hero. Yeah, I respect. Alright.
live, Kanabis Selfi TV, live in some shop square. You know what I mean? We up on stay tuned.